Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Creating a Monty Python and the Holy Grail parody script in Python. Introduction. Monty Python and the Holy Grail is a classic comedy film known for its absurd humor and clever parody of the Arthurian legend. In this tutorial, we will create a simple Python script that generates a parody of a scene from the movie using text manipulation. We'll focus on the famous knights who say "ni" scene for our parody. Prerequisites. Let's get started. Step 1. Set up your Python environment. Create a new Python file, example holy_grail_parody.py, and open it in your preferred text editor or IDE. Step 2. Define the characters and dialogues. In this step, we'll define the characters and dialogues for our parody. You can customize this part based on your preferences. Step 3. Create the parody scene. Now, let's create a function to generate the parody scene by combining characters and dialogues randomly. Step 4. Run the script. Save your script and run it using the command line or terminal. You should see a randomly generated parody scene from Monty Python and the Holy Grail. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've created a simple Monty Python and the Holy Grail parody script in Python. Feel free to expand on this foundation by adding more characters, dialogues, and scenes to make your parody even more entertaining. ChatGPT